Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we will be learning how to log into your Twitch account using the Twitch application on your mobile device. To log into Twitch app, first of all, open up the Twitch application on your device and from the home screen tap on login at the bottom left. In the login screen, you'll be prompted to enter your username and password. Type down your correct credential in the respective text boxes. And finally click on the login button. And right after you do that, you will be able to log into your Twitch account. All you need is your credentials and you are good to go. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel for more easy tutorials. I'll be back in the next video. Thank you for watching.